Hey everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin and the matic, the Proven Crash Prediction, and the FOMC meeting about the volatile market. Okay, I already told you that around 19 July, so around 6 days ago, I told you that we gonna hit this line, the white one, the exponential moving average 21 for the matic in the 19 July, and now look, the matic since the uptrend already decreased by 70%. Okay, if you draw from this one, look, from this one, it's a bit higher in here, a bit higher, but after that it's going down and still going downtrend again. And if you draw, you can find that this is the downtrend, and it's almost 17% since the up. Some people may say that the theta, the matic may going down and going pump again. It's up to you because it's very difficult to predict the matic. Why? Because the matic is this in the medium cap, and if you talk about the larger cap, okay, you can find, look, this chart. Today, around this morning, we have another crash 3%, and this is the big strong downtrend. Look at this one. And if you said you have the falling wedge after it's going down, maybe it can going up. Yeah, it's still possible it's falling wedge, but the question is that we have another FOMC meeting you can find in the investing. Okay, before we talk about this chart, let's talk about the investing in here. You find that this week you can have the new home sales, you have the FOMC meeting, you have like this one, look, crude oil inventories, and you have the FOMC statement, you have the Fed interest rate decision and FOMC press conference. In here, you know that the interest rate gonna be high because the inflation is high, and you can find the last month inflation is very big. Also, you in the Thursday you have the GDP, the meeting, and also the initial jobless claims. And the next Friday you have the core PCI index. Okay, that's why for this week the market gonna be big volatile. Maybe it can dump, it's a bit up, but the overall trend is still it's going downtrend because they cannot surpass the blue one. Blue one is the exponential moving average 55. Okay, and it's like in here the analogy. Look, in here in the May you have pump 7.7%. After that sideways, and you have dump 6%. After that is going sideways, pump again, and in here the people is FOMO. Why? Because wait, look, because they have one, and now they're gonna break this the second green. Now maybe it's have the one and maybe have the two, but the question if it still going up, nobody want pumps. Why? Because the market still in the bad condition, and as I told you before, in here we are still waiting to buy the dip in here. So I hope that it's soon going down so we can buy the dip, it can pump again, and after that we sell before it's going to another downtrend again, because the game still in the long-term game. We still have another crash in the Q4. Okay, and if you are zooming, let's hide some. Look, okay, look, we have the gap in here, the gap that you need to fulfill in here. So we already hit this gap just in the Friday, and before it's going downtrend again. Okay, that's why I'm still bearish and I'm still waiting to buy the dip around there. Okay, if we zooming, look, we are heading to this one before we are going downtrend again, and the question is that so many altcoin that hitting the target in here that previously conduct as the support, and now it's going downtrend. So if you have one day pump, it's maybe like this one. You have look, you have one day pump 16%. Look, 16% in a day. After that you are FOMO, you are buying, and it's going downtrend, and it's become the local peak. Look, the local peak you buy in here, and it's going downtrend until June. it's for the matic. And if you think that we have the big pump, yeah, it's a big pump. But the question, if you're not buying in here and you are buying in here, you're gonna die. If you're buying here, you're gonna die because the market is very, very volatile. And the last one is about, look, the total crypto asset class. The total crypto asset class, as I told you, that we have some support, we are waiting in here. Look, if you are zooming, we cannot surpass this line. Look, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, or maybe this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. So already 6 days that we cannot break this line. Okay, that's why it's going downtrend. The question is how big the downtrend is. We don't know. Maybe can hit to this one, or maybe can hit to this one. Maybe it can going down, going up and down again. And where is the number is coming from? If you are drawing like this line, oh sorry, you're drawing the Fibonacci from here to this one, you can find, okay, let's from this one to this one. Look, you can find around this value. So around this value is the target. Or maybe it's okay, you can draw from this one. So around this level is also the target for the total crypto. Okay, if you are zooming like this one, let's hide some, and maybe you show, okay, this is one. Okay, look, if you hide this one, look, we within the line, this one, oops, let's remove all. Look, within like this one, you have this one pump, so the target maybe is going downtrend. After that, we are going up just to retest this one, and it's still going downtrend. Okay, the plan we hit to this one. That's the plan, that the retest that we need. And the previously we ever hold the retest in here. Okay, so sounds clear for you? Like this one, we are waiting the dip. This is the dip. Now you're gonna have again about the dip in here, but this is not the fast game, because why? Maybe somewhere around Q4, crash around Q4 is the dip. Okay, and before the dip, you may have the pump, you may have the dump. And remember, the pump like this one, look, from this one to this one, you have 47% pump, but it's going down again. So if we have the pump like maybe after this, we have pump like this one, look back to this one, it's still not a big pump, just 50% before it going down again. We are still in the downtrend, but for the short term, at least you know that the FOMC is still in the bad condition, and at least in the daily time frame. Look, daily time frame, the total crypto asset class still in the bad condition before, because we cannot hit the exponential average movie 55 in here. And I think that's for today, and let's wait where the chart is going on. But always remember, the people who died is the people who play this one. Okay, the leverage coin is died because look, minus 4% is the very big in the leverage. The second is the FOMO people. The third is the ETF coin also died, and Moonboy also died because they say that the Bitcoin is scam or else, but they are just dumb, and you need to understand about the market. And the 5 is the whales always win. And how you mitigate this one is the things that you need is the time and patience and play spot market coin. Okay, this is the idea how to defeat the 5, the 1, the third, the 4. Okay, this is the key, and let's wait, and let's gonna see where the price is going down. But if you're very curious, okay, let's open new chart. If you're very curious about where's the pattern, look, as I told you just yesterday, we have this draw line, so it's possible that maybe after hit this one, if we cannot hold, we are going to this level. Okay, after this we retest, if we cannot hold again, it's going downtrend again. That's the level key that you need to watch. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like button. Thank you.